last week greenlit Trump's pocket rescissions. How do you approach negotiations, not just now?
At midnight, Donald Trump and Republicans shut the federal government down because they don't want to provide health care to working class Americans.
Republicans an opportunity to eliminate bloated, unnecessary federal programs that they'd like to vote down but don't have the vote.
And the president has been engaging in irresponsible and unserious behavior, demonstrating that all along Republicans wanted to shut the government down. That's no surprise, because for decades Republicans have consistently shut the government down as part of their efforts to try to extract and jam their extreme right-wing agenda down the throats of the American people. The Trump administration is targeting the jobs, thousands of jobs, of hard-working Americans. The Trump administration has been killing jobs. This is a job-killing administration. Job creation is down, but you know what's up? Costs.
And as we're fighting, Republicans are nowhere to be seen. They own this crisis. They own this shutdown. And instead, they want to use people as political pawns. Russ Vought wants to lay people off. He wants to fire people. He wants to use this shutdown to carry out the agenda that he has wanted all along. It's shameful and it's wrong.
Are they really expecting us to believe that the strategy that they are employing, that they're already making life in this country for working Americans harder and more expensive, that the answer is you shut down government and make life harder and more expensive? That is insane. But that is the argument that they're putting out there.
Vice President Vance says he wants to have a conversation. We're ready to have a conversation with any high-level member of the Trump administration. They just have to be prepared to act in good faith, not to talk about it, but to be about it, which means canceling the cuts, lowering the costs, saving the health care of the American people. We want to reach an agreement in good faith to make sure that the government is funded and that we do it in a way that lifts up the quality of life of the American people. But we also have to make sure that if we reach an agreement that has bipartisan support in the House and in the Senate, is signed into law by President Trump, that the administration can't then come behind that agreement and in a partisan way undo funding for programs and for support that matters to the American people. We just need sensible Republicans to be willing to sit down and have a conversation with all of us that can include the administration about reaching a good faith agreement to reopen the government, to enact a spending bill that actually improves the quality of life of the American people and that addresses the painful, harmful, outrageous, and out of control Republican health care crisis that has been visited on the American people throughout this year.